Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you all are taking care of yourselves. So this morning, I'm getting up, looking through the snakes. So I'm gonna let you guys come through with me on that, kind of like we did with yesterday's video. But I'm gonna go through some of the tubs. I'm not gonna go through everybody, but yeah, I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about what's happening and future plans with them. So let's start off over here with these guys up here, and it is Toph, my Brazilian rainbow boa. Put you right there, and then Skellington, my Amazon tree boa. So I'm gonna get these down. Those off. Oh, there you are. He's looking great. What is that? Oh, it's a broken piece of. Oh gosh, wow. That must have been for my project when I was hot gluing things. So piece of hot glue. Cool. So I'm gonna get you sprayed down. But yeah, that's Skellington. He's my Amazon tree boa. He's looking really good. Just doing a little quick poop check in here. I don't see anything, but I do want to get my spray thing. Sorry about the rough video, you guys. Give you a little spray down. Oh wait, I see a poop. It almost evaded me. Go ahead and grab that. I wash my hands after this, you guys. I'm not worried about it. Just a little bit of poop. So yeah, that is Skellington. I'm not gonna bother him too much. Just want to do a quick little check-in. And check in over here with little baby Toph. Yeah, there she is. Looking good. Looking good, looking good. She shed not too long ago also. And I did see a poop in here from the outside. So it's just a matter of finding it. Where did I see it? It was in a corner. Ah, there it is. Found it. Got it. So, get that into the trash too. Boom. Alright. And there we go. Just walk through, getting them little poopies out. You know, there'll be poop one day and not the next. So, it's definitely important to stay on checking out your snakes and checking on them multiple times a day. So what I do, because like that, there was no poop in there yesterday, but there was poop in there today. So yeah, that's baby Toph. I'm gonna put that back on. So actually, I'm gonna leave that off for a minute and talk about my plans for these two, because both baby Toph here and Skellington, sorry about that, over here, are gonna be getting upgrades soon. So, do you see this shelf right here? Little picture. Alright, so this is part of it's a part of an entertainment system. And it has another one that's just like this. This is about 5 feet tall. And the other one is about 5 feet tall. And then there's one that goes in the center that's a little shorter than that. And I'm going to take one of these tall ones here, and I'm going to take out those glass pieces you can see, and I'm going to put, like, I don't know, a wood board there or something. Either way, I'm going to put a divider there to make those two different enclosures, because there's a nice door on that. It closes, so I just got to do some fixing of it, but otherwise I'm going to put two boards there, seal it off so that they can't get into each other's enclosure from the top or the bottom. And I'm going to make this a I guess double stacked enclosure for my two semi-arboreal snakes here, so that they can have more space than what these tubs are offering to do more climbing. And so I'm very excited to be able to get that off the ground for them. Sorry about that. Kind of rushing. I'm a little tired. I haven't had my coffee. But yeah, so that is my plans with that particular piece of furniture. So these two are going to be getting lovely update grades very soon. As soon as payday comes around, which is about the 1st, I'm going to start working on those projects and get these guys moved up out of these tubs. So once I do that, then that means that the little fella that's in here, which is Lestat, my bull snake, will get to move up into one of their tubs here, because that will allow him to have more space to move and do his thing. You know, I mean, and maybe I might even, if there's space on that one of those, I might even just like make a second or a third layer in within that uh shelf thing that I just showed you, so that he actually can just go in there with them as well. But I don't know if it'll work out. So that's just a thought that I'm thinking about. But there's definitely some upgrades happening with these guys, and I'm very excited to share that with you. So I'm gonna get them closed back up and take a look over on some of my other tub snakes. Alright, I'm gonna get you back up there. Ooh. Boom. Grab you, get you back up. Ooh. Boom. Now I'll have to come back and put your heating pads back under there. But for now, you guys are good. But yes, I want to come over here. Because I want to check in on some of my other snakes and see who's up in here. Yeah, there he is. We got Rafiki, my blood python here. He is having a nice, good soaking. He's looking really good. Actually looking fantastic, getting some growth on him. I'm very happy about it. I love his colors. Doing a little poop check, even though I checked yesterday. But he hasn't pooped in about, I don't even know, maybe a month or two. Not too long ago, because I did put a big old post about it on my Facebook and Instagram, because anybody who knows blood pythons know that they don't poop often, right? So they can easily go several months without pooping, and then when they do, they just let out a huge load. So these guys do not poop at all frequently. Anybody who doesn't know that and end up with a blood python could get really concerned. This fella actually went about 9 months before he dropped the load for me, so I don't know when he'll poop again. But I always check every day just in case that he decides to poop a little bit sooner than he did last time. So yeah, that is blood python Rafiki. Looking good in his enclosure, so I'm gonna go ahead and close him back up here. Boom, boom. I gotta wipe my lids off. They're getting dirty from my hands. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little peek-see in here. So I did just spray a lot of these guys down just yesterday, so their enclosures are very humid. The humidity is spiked right now, but that's just because I just sprayed them down. And there is little Iro, looking super good. Just do a little peek in there for some poop. Oh, no poopy, no poopy. Alright, put that back down. Look back here. Nope, I don't see any poop. Alright, cool. So he is good up in there. Put that lid back on. And I'm going to shift you on over this way. I want to check in on Zeus down here, because Zeus, another lid that I need to wash. Jesus, my hands get dirty. So Zeus was in shed not too long ago, so I definitely want to check in on him and look at that. That's why I wanted to check. Okay, I'll bring this way and I'll put it back there. So this is why I wanted to check, you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that whole shed there. I'll pull that on out. Yeah, that's super fresh. That is super fresh. Cracks me up how they just like put their shed in this like condom roll. I can't do that with one hand, but that is one solid shed there, you guys. Oh, I'm very happy about it. I love full sheds, I really do. And there he is. Good gracious, you look fantastic. You look good, homie. You looking super fresh. Super fresh. Yeah, super fresh. So yeah, just do a little quick poop check on you. Look up under there. No poop up in there. Alright, cool. You good to go, bro. You good to go. You look fantastic. Good job on your shed, Zeus. Good job. Oh, yeah, you're like, don't touch me. Okay. So, yep, that's it, everybody. Just want to bring you guys along with that. Again, not going to make this too long of a video. I hope you guys appreciate these kind of videos. I just feel like I would just take you guys a little bit more on my day-to-day life instead of just always doing, educational things. Like, yes, this is educational, but mostly it's just me sharing my day with you, sharing what it is to come home from work and check on my snakes, sharing what it is to wake up in the morning and go through and check up on everybody. So, and then talk about what's happening when I see things happening. So anyway, that's it, everybody. I'm gonna let this guy chill, finish checking on the rest of the snakes, and get myself ready to start my day. All right, this is TWR. We are out of here. We are checking out. You guys take care. Love your friends. Love your reptiles. Love your loved ones. You guys keep spreading those herbs.